In today's competitive market, time is of the essence. Engineers and designers need to focus on innovation and not repetitive tasks. That's where myCADtools comes in. This powerful suite of over 50 utilities is designed to enhance and automate your SOLIDWORKS workflows, allowing you to streamline your design processes and significantly reduce the time spent on mundane tasks. Transform your drawing creation and management with smart drawings. This innovative tool automates the production of detailed, accurate drawings, ensuring consistency and precision throughout your projects. This powerful tool not only streamlines your design workflow, but also enhances the overall functionality of SOLIDWORKS. Maximise the potential of your SOLIDWORKS designs with Smart Properties, a key feature of myCADtools. Smart Properties enables you to swiftly create and manage properties across your documents, saving you valuable time and ensuring you consistency throughout your projects. Additionally, it enables the automation of your SOLIDWORKS file names. Streamline the export processes for sheet metal flat pans with myCADtools sheet metal manufacturing. In just a few clicks, this tool enables you to automatically export all of the flat patterns from your sheet metal projects to industry standard formats like DXF or DWG. myCADtools empowers you to transform your workflow and boost productivity. Don't let repetitive tasks hold you back. Elevate your design processes with myCADtools and stay ahead of the competition.